Hi, yeah, so I've just unpacked this Connetix magnetic tiles pastel mega pack with 202 pieces inside, and I just wanted to show you what is inside this box. So first, we've got these two vehicles. And we got these squares that are empty inside. I think there is 8 of these. Now we've got these rectangles, and is also 8 of these in the pack. Then these look like they're like fences, also 8. And then we've got 8 windows. And 8 of these octagons. Now we've got 16 of these huge tiles. It's in comparison to the small ones. And 48 of smaller ones. It's loads. We do so much with these. Beautiful. And 3 sets of triangles. So got these ones. And there is 32 in the pack. Then the smaller ones, also 32, and 32 of these. Now I'm going to try and set up some activities for kids for tomorrow, so I will share with you what we've built for them. So in this set, it comes with, well, I think with every single set, the box comes with an inspiration book. So there is lots of great ideas of what to build. Some of them are more challenging than others. We've got transport, and I mean, you can do alphabet, numbers, nature. But because I have a son who is a vehicle mad, I thought using this wobble board so I've put some tiles on the wobble board, and then I've built this sort of car. And I think he's gonna have so much fun playing with it. But amazing. He is gonna love it, I think. So build number 1 is done. So as I have my daughter who is horse mad, I thought I have to build the stables for her. So this is what I've done. I've added some schleich horses and some schleich figures. She is going to have a blast there tomorrow. Look at that. Stunning. I left some pieces for her if she wants to add anything else to it. Here is the end result for my son. So as I've shown you before, I've done this little wobble board track for him. Then I thought I'm gonna put some garages for his little cars. So I built the big one there. And there you go. Literally, possibilities are unreal. I hope they're going to enjoy this tomorrow. Right, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you'll come back soon. Bye.